of things for me. Gates says if I'd been born 5,000 years ago, I'd have been some animal's lunch, because I can't run very fast, can't climb trees. I mean, what those, and I could tell that animal is chasing me, wait till you see how I could allocate assets, But it wouldn't have made any difference. So here I am, I'm born now, just very, very lucky. And the odds when I was born in 1930, the odds were 50 to 1 against me being born in the United States. That's a terrible set of odds to face. And yet I was dropped down here, And if I'd been dropped down in Peru or someplace or China, I mean, I wouldn't have had a chance. So society is what does it for you. And it should go back, in my view, it should go back to society. If you've been lucky enough to be dropped into a society where your particular wiring pays off big, that's just luck. And there's nothing wrong with being lucky. I don't feel guilty about it or anything else, but I also don't feel that, I feel I have a lot of fun doing what I do, but I feel the money should go back into society, and it should go back as intelligently as it can. And the best way to do it intelligently is to have high-grade and intelligent people administering it at the time. And you don't know the problems that are going to be out there 10 years from now or 20 years from now or 30 years from now. But I do know if I've got a small number of high-grade, smart people, and high-grade is more important. If you gave me 20 extra points of IQ, but cheated a little on the high grade, I wouldn't take it, because they got to be. There's so many chances to do things in a petty way, or to try to. I mean, people get subverted in their own minds to their own interests rather than the interests of the institution. So I really want super high-grade people doing it, and I've got them. And I think the money might do a lot of good, it may do no good, but it'll be operating in fields where if it does some good, that good probably wouldn't have been done otherwise. Yep.